Make sure that you already purchased the base plan of YouTube TV at the very least and ensure the subscription is still active, because you cannot watch pets.tv without having YouTube TV base plan first. And to buy the YouTube TV base plan, from the homepage of YouTube TV, you wanna go to your top right of your screen and then click right here on the store icon. And then you wanna click on all at the top of the screen. And then at the YouTube TV, you wanna click on it. And you want to add the YouTube TV to your membership by paying for $83 per month, and you can get free trial. To do that, click on next and then complete your purchase with debit card, credit card, or even PayPal and Cash App. And then to watch pets.tv after you are buying the YouTube TV base plan, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, but this time click on the search icon. And then you can just search for pets. And then at the pets.tv, you want to click on it and scroll down, and you can see the live session of pets.tv. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.